Welcome back to Arcana. The Vivo Y40 is an exciting smartphone in 2025, bringing a combination of power, style, and affordability. As Vivo continues to refine its smartphones, the Y40 stands out as a mid-range device packed with impressive features. From its display to performance, camera, and battery life, this phone caters to users who want a balanced smartphone experience without breaking the bank. Starting with the design, the Vivo Y40 boasts a sleek and modern look with a premium glass back and a sturdy frame. The phone is available in multiple color variants, offering users a choice between classic and trendy finishes. The slim profile and lightweight body make it comfortable to hold, ensuring a smooth experience for both casual and power users. The display is one of the standout features of the Vivo Y40. It comes with a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel that delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent viewing angles. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures a smooth scrolling experience, making it perfect for gaming and social media browsing. The brightness levels are optimized for outdoor usage, ensuring clarity even under direct sunlight. The phone also features an in-display fingerprint scanner for fast and secure unlocking. When it comes to performance, the Vivo Y40 is powered by the latest MediaTek Dimensity 8100 chipset, which provides an excellent balance of power efficiency and speed. Paired with 8GB or 12GB of RAM, multitasking is seamless, and apps load quickly without lag. The phone comes with storage options of 128GB and 256GB, allowing users to store plenty of photos, videos, and apps. The device also supports expandable storage via microSD card, making it even more versatile for users who need extra space. Gaming on the Vivo Y40 is a delight, thanks to the powerful GPU and the high refresh rate display. The phone supports features like Ultra Game Mode, which optimizes performance, reduces distractions, and enhances the gaming experience. Advanced cooling technology prevents overheating, ensuring long gaming sessions without any performance drop. The camera setup on the Vivo Y40 is another highlight. It features a quad-camera system with a 64MP primary sensor that captures sharp and detailed images. The 12MP ultra-wide lens allows users to take expansive shots, while the 5MP macro lens is perfect for close-up photography. Additionally, a 2MP depth sensor helps in producing stunning portrait shots with a natural bokeh effect. On the front, the device houses a 32MP selfie camera that supports eye enhancements for clearer and more vibrant selfies. The camera app is packed with features like night mode, eye scene detection, and 4K video recording,